Hi guys, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. How to remove kidney stones. We are going to do 5 yoga asana which are very impactful. With this, I request you drink lot of water. Every half an hour, half glass of water. We'll start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Release. Keep your body always hydrated and do exercises. Exercises help to increase blood circulation, strengthen your muscle and excellent for removing toxins. So we are starting with Ushtra Asana, camel pose. And release, relax. Let's do Setu Bandh Asana. Very amazing asana. Lie down. And release. Let's do Naukasana. Okay guys, now very important tip. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. 10 seconds gradually you can increase it. Now let's do very nice pose. This we call Titli Asana. And slowly come forward, exhale. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Now simply you are going to do Dhyan Mudra with me, which is very easy. Index and your thumb, hold here. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Stay always positive and happy. And release. Release your all stress and pain. Hope you liked the video. Do share and comment. And please just tag your favorite pose. We'll come back again. Thank you.